In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage file permissions in Google Drive efficiently. Accessing your files in Google Drive is crucial, whether you're working on important documents or collaborating on projects. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure smooth access to your files. First, let's open up your browser and head over to drive.google.com. This is your gateway to the cloud storage where all your important documents, photos, and files reside. Make sure you're logged in with the account you use to access your files. You can verify that by checking your profile photo at the top right corner. If it's not the correct account, simply click on your profile photo and switch to the right account. This step ensures you're viewing files linked to the correct account, since many people have multiple Google accounts these days. Next, you'll need to locate the file you're interested in accessing. Browse through your drive, and once you find the file, give it a right click. From the quick options that appear, click on Share. Sharing settings are the most common hurdle when it comes to file access in Google Drive, so let's go over this carefully. Once in the sharing settings, observe whether the file is marked as restricted. This means access is limited to certain people. If your email isn't listed, you won't have access to the file. A quick way to troubleshoot is to click on Copy Link. Paste this link somewhere to see what the file's access settings are. If the link indicates restricted, only selected users can open it. You'll want to choose anyone with the link when you desire to give unrestricted access. If the file was shared with you by someone else, you might find it under the Shared with Me section on the left sidebar. Click there and see if the file appears. Open it up and verify you have the necessary permissions. Sometimes files just don't appear because of small glitches, so if you're still having issues, go ahead and refresh your Google Drive page with Ctrl+Shift+R. This refresh often fixes common loading issues that can prevent access. If, however, your access has been revoked by the owner, you'll see an option to request access. Click this and wait for the owner to approve. It's a straightforward way to regain access without needing to send separate emails or messages. Lastly, if you're encountering persistent loading errors or issues accessing specific files, it might be due to app conflicts within Google Drive. Click on the Settings gear icon, go to Settings, then Manage Apps. Here, scroll through and uncheck any apps, particularly old add-ons, that might be causing conflicts. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate and manage access to your files more effectively. With a bit of practice, these tips will ensure you can quickly solve any permission issues that come your way. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.